accidentally give you tiramisu, buddy? Are you hyper and it's way past your bedtime? Why did I do that?
No more monkeys jumping on the bed.
You wild boy. Peekaboo. Are you excited to be on the yacht club? You can't have that. You can't have that, mister.
Welcome to the MSC Seashore. We just checked in. We just saw our room for the first time. Finally changed the baby's diaper since we left Fort Myers. I have to say, we have the yacht club experience. If you're traveling with kids, you have to do it. If it means getting an If it means getting an interior room and doing yacht club, do it just for the check-in alone. He wouldn't have waited. Like we skipped everyone. It was the only way we could have gotten on the ship and not just been like near tears with stress.
Yes.
If we hadn't done that.
Agreed.
So if you're traveling with kids on the MSC Seashore, you must do the yacht club.
And there's interior cabins too that are pretty affordable as well.
Yeah, interior if you know, but yacht club for the check-in alone, it was already worth it. Thanks, guys. Maybe again. Oh, look, we have a note.
Immediately after COVID, cruises were running deep discounts. Because of this, we managed to book a cabin on the MSC Seashore for 7 days. It consisted of the yacht club experience, which included a spa, a private butler to escort us to events and dining, and 5-star meals. It was our 1-year-old's first experience on a cruise ship, and our family had the time of our lives.
Bon voyage! This is the Chico Baby Care Center. Soren just got here. They said that there's not many babies on board. He might actually have it to himself.
Yes.
He's one of the few in his age group right now.
Soren, are you gonna have this place all to yourself? Are you excited? Yeah. Awesome, buddy. Look at the view he has. Yeah. And all these toys. This is your playground, buddy. Are you excited? This is a pretty cool place.
Oh my gosh.
Is that your toy buddy? Soren, is that your favorite toy in this whole place? Are you enjoying yourself?
While our son was transitioning to whole milk, our private butler made sure to keep our refrigerator and our cabin stocked, which was extremely convenient. In the evening time, we would roll our son in his stroller until he fell asleep, while my wife and I enjoyed adult beverages while listening to live jazz music. It made for very enjoyable, relaxing evenings in the starry night sky.
What do I like? Oh my gosh. Anything Frank Sinatra. Yes. I'm a Frank Sinatra gal. If you would like to sing, do not be shy. We are here for an hour until 9 o'clock. So we will be here waiting for you. If you would like to sing, you know what to do. Make your way to the stage and give us the name of your song.
What do you want to sing?
I never know.
You want to sing?
That's your mama, buddy. Your mama's about to sing a song. Yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen, but we'll see.
Now this Papa's little dancing with the beach blonde tramp and she's probably
What do you think, bud? She's doing pretty good. That's your mama. That's your mama, buddy. Your mama's not bad. Hey, your mommy's not bad.
Since we had unlimited access to the spa, we would take turns in the cabin, spending time with Soren, while the other individual would go to the spa and enjoy all the amenities included.
Hey Soren, we're in another country. We're in San Juan, Puerto Rico. Hey buddy, how many countries have you been to now at 1 year old? Oh wow, you've been to that many at 1 year old? Whatever number that is, huh? Okay, cool. Is that the land? Are you showing me where the land's at? No way! Oh, wow, that's so cool, buddy. Yeah! Did you see that over there?
Say hi.
So cool. Awesome. Wow. Soren?
The Yacht Club dining room had a beautiful view, looking over the ocean and all of the ports that we were docked at. While we were docked in San Juan, Puerto Rico, we had an incredible view of the city and the fort while my son enjoyed his crab cakes.
Wow, Soren, your food looks real good. Is that a good breadstick? Is that a good breadstick, buddy? Aw. It's a good breadstick, huh? Do you like your view of San Juan, Soren? You can see the fort from here. Are you enjoying your cruise? Are you enjoying your cruise? You weren't so good at dinner today. But man, you're being great now. Yeah. You just wanted your milk. Sorry. I'm gonna get you. What you doing with that pizza, mister?
I'm gonna take it.
What you doing with that pizza, mister? Oh, is that your card? Is that your ID? I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.
Greg accidentally gave him tiramisu.
Did I accidentally give you tiramisu, buddy? Are you hyper and it's way past your bedtime? Why did I do that?
No more monkeys jumping on the bed.
You wild boy. What is that? Crash. Are you excited? Buddy, this is all yours to play in. Have a blast. Have fun. He wants to ease into it. Yeah, he is nervous. Hey, Soren. Soren. Good boy. Yeah, that's it. Yay! Yay!
I'm so proud of him. You did it!
Good job.
Cheers!
Cheers.
Cheers!
Cheers. haven't got in yet. Yeah, I'll find out here in a second. He wants to get up and play.
Buddy, is that so fun? Is this nice? Hey Soren, where's your Turk? Are you drinking the water?
Say Jaja. Say Jaja.
He like just wants to go out there, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Remember when he went to the ocean with Antoine and he was like, he would just sit there?
Right.
Gone are the days.
He wants to run in.
He wants someone to hold him and go swimming.
Oh, I guess I could do that.
But also maybe we could just sit here.
No.
He's having He's like, how are you here too? He's like, Anna, do you ever get to rest?
Storm, where are you going, buddy? The ocean's that way. Storm, we're going to the ocean. He does.
Turn your work on the ship now. You're hired. He's like, I'm gonna follow her. Come here.
While my son got to experience his first ever time riding on a hotel in the ocean, he also got to see multiple countries at the age of 1. In the meantime, Kara and I got to, for the first time, see what it's like to be on the MSC Yacht Club. It was a great experience. We saw the most beautiful sunsets. We had 5-star meals. The butler service was incredible, from bringing us to shows, to dinner, and just being overall great and supporting us and helping us. I mean, even one time we had missed our favorite dessert for the night, tiramisu, and we had to leave because Soren was, a little tired. So we got back to the hotel, and sure enough, there was tiramisu waiting for us in the cabin.
Wow. Chug, chug, chug. Cheers. Chink. Good job, buddy. Cheers. 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 Yeah. Soren, are you in the Dominican Republic?
summary, I'll never forget the time my son Soren got to experience his first ever cruise with his family as a yacht club baby.